Hi, and welcome to Classic Coating Systems. My name is Carlos. Today we're going to be showing you how to properly mix and apply Easy Coat. Before applying Easy Coat, we use Classic Super Eco Edge Organic Cleaner. That is spray on with a garden pump sprayer that you can find at your local hardware store. After applying the Eco Edge Organic Cleaner, within 30 to 40 seconds, pressure wash it off with a 2700 psi pressure washer. Allow the surface to dry for 24 hours before applying Easy Coat. The tools that you're going to need for that is mixing everything into a 5-gallon bucket, a drill, and a good mixing paddle. And mix it all together for about 5 minutes. Let's demonstrate how we do this. Our Easy Coat Colorless Primer comes with a measurement line on the bottle that has a little ring. You will fill it up 3 times with water for proper measurement. Then we end up using a drill mixer and mix it for about a minute. After mixing for 1 minute, we're going to add the C-Flex Natural Gray into the mix and mix it for 5 minutes. Easy Coat comes in a natural gray or with integral colors that you can add into your mix. After mixing Easy Coat, you can apply it with a roller or with a spray gun. Today we're going to be using a spray gun. With that product, you only need 1 application. For an interior surface, allow it to dry 24 hours before staining or sealing. Exterior, allow 3 to 4 hours before staining or sealing. Stay tuned for more.